naman.
Jerry,
why you're always
Bahala ka dyan.
liking? Oy, huwag ka magtulog-tulog dyan, Juan. Piste ka. Meet daw, meet. You please the guest, then I will up you here. I will invite you, then can you accept my invitation? Jerry, we would like to see your face lock. The face of yours.
Dahil,
Come here.
pag ganyan-ganyan ka
kailangan
dyan,
ng...
pag ganyan-ganyan ka dyan, nang hindi ka tinampa ni Kuya Jimboy.
Busy pa siya, busy pa sa buhay niya, Day. Nandito may kausap siya.
Sige.
Ano? Jerry! Jerry, up! Come here. Talk to us. I invite you already, then you can